Hello, my name is CASANOVA, and I am doing a video presentation about what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. Some of you may not notice, but an earthquake occurs during a sudden release of energy, causing different shaking movements or seismic waves. Also, it can affect during a volcanic eruption that leads sometimes to catastrophic damage. Things to do before an earthquake. Number 1. Prepare an emergency kit and learn first aid. Number 2. Know the fault lines of your area. Number 3. Make up a plan of where to meet your family after the earthquake. Number 4. Don't leave heavy objects on shelves. It might cause of death or injury. What to do during an earthquake? Here are some clips. Stay calm. Don't panic. Don't run. Drop, cover, and hold on. If you're inside the house, do not stand close to windows, walls, and other elements that may fall or collapse. Do not use stoves, matches, or any electrical equipment. It might cause fire. Keep your cool and don't run outside unless you're near the door. After an earthquake, check yourself and family for injuries. Provide first aid for everyone who needs it. Observe and stay away from damaged areas to avoid victims. Turn on the radios and listen to the news. Phones are not intended to use unless it's emergency. Thank you for watching. I hope I could be a help to you. Always remember to drop, cover, and hold.